And welcome back to Bitcoin Advisors channel. My name is Chris Mitchell, bringing you this cryptocurrency video on Friday morning. Wanted to go over some crypto news here. And what do we have here on the Daily Hodl? New York State fines crypto wing of Robinhood $30 million for allegedly violating consumer protection laws. The state of New York is levying a fine against the crypto brand for trading giant Robinhood for allegedly violating consumer protection and anti-money laundering laws. So not only is their platform garbage if you want to trade crypto, all right, if you want to lose your money, sign up for Robinhood because you don't know what you're doing, right? If you want a little more sophisticated approach, there are many other exchanges with many better products than Robinhood. Don't just buy Robinhood or buy off of Robinhood because guess what? You heard your neighbor did it or something like that. Give us a call. Pick up the phone. We're happy to tell you, custom tailor a program that fits your needs and put you in the right direction. Not everybody's the right fit for us, trust me. But in the case of somebody who wants to put cryptocurrency in their IRA or 401k or a Roth IRA so that it grows tax-free, yes, you're probably somebody that's a good fit for us. Why leave your money on a scandalous exchange when you could just grow it tax-free and be on an insured platform? All of our IRAs are 100% insured by Lloyd's of London, the oldest insurance company in the world. And that's what I got to say about Robinhood. Next up here, Swiss Singham Bank expands crypto staking with Cardano. Singham debuted cryptocurrency staking about 2 years ago with Tezos staking, eventually expanding their service to ICP and ET2. Cryptocurrency-friendly bank, Singham Bank, expanding the crypto service, blah, blah, blah. They announced Tuesday they're going to start staking ADA. Yeah, let's go put our crypto down at some bank in Europe. I don't think so. Go figure out how to stake it on your own. This cryptocurrency is about having your own wealth, not leaving it at a bank, a crooked bank at that. At least they're forward looking. At least they're helping people out and getting them some exposure to Tezos. Sorry guys for all you Cardano fanboys out there. I call Cardano because it is just a bunch of hype with no real, the amount of people building applications on Cardano. You might as well buy Tezos. Tezos, I think, actually is from what I've heard, a much more robust piece of internet technology. Now, they're all just, again, highly esteemed pieces of internet technologies. I don't trust them unless they're Bitcoin or Ethereum at the moment. I do think Tezos is one, actually, I would trust, in fact. And there's many reasons why. Maybe we'll do another video about that. But again, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Risk it all. Throw it on crypto. Okay. Now, next up, Binance and Mastercard launched prepaid card in Argentina to bridge cryptocurrencies in everyday purchases. Yeah, Buenos Aires and Binance, the world's leading blockchain and cryptocurrency infrastructure provider, Mastercard announced they're launching Binance Card in Argentina. Look, guys, I'm going to give you another piece of advice. I've heard nothing good about Binance's platform. Everybody I know in the U.S. that has used Binance has gotten screwed at one point or the other. I don't even know how they're still around, frankly. Sorry, CZ. And they're right in line behind Coinbase and getting fines and frauds and all that good stuff. So, and we're not in Argentina, but it does show that more, big companies like MasterCard are stepping into crypto in a big way, and that is a positive for the market. Okay, what's up next? Cryptocurrency news, newsbtc.com. I don't feel like this is a great piece of news. Bitcoin and crypto and large market caps. Price peaking at 20,000. Unparalleled rally made headlines. Mainstream. We all know this on this channel. Yeah. Cryptocurrency. 28. Nevertheless, want to stay constantly up. This was garbage. Cut that out. Next thing. Okay, this is the big question. Solana. Is Solana going to make it? Here's what I would say. The Solana fanboy club is just so popular that even with a hack, the coin's holding up. The coin is holding up. So I don't know how much was lost or stolen. 5 million? Users only got hacked for 5 million. Well, at least you didn't have your money on Celsius or whatever, Mount Gox. And what about all that rumor FUD about Mount Gox dumping all these coins on the market? So here, let's read the news. Nearly 8,000 digital wallets have been drained by over 5.2 million in digital coins. Solana's sold token and USDC, according to the blockchain analytics firm Elliptic. The Twitter account Solana Status confirmed the attack, noting that as of Wednesday morning, approximately 7,700 wallets have been affected by the exploit. Solana's sold token, one of the largest cryptocurrencies after Bitcoin and Ether, fell about 8% in the first 2 hours after the attack was detected. It's currently down about 1%. All right, that's why I wanted to check in on the price of Solana. Here we go, throwing this baby up on the card. And it looks just like Bitcoin. In fact, I would say this is nothing. A $5.2 million hack in crypto land is nothing. Those guys did the job wrong. They should have went for more. Just kidding. But literally, this is what I would call an ascending triangle, and we've got several drives of hidden bullish divergence. And what is that? So, hidden bullish divergence is this. We got confirmed higher lows 1, 2, 3, 4 compared to this low right here. So those are 4 lower lows on price, yet we've got 5 higher lows. So it does look like Solana wants to pop back up to here. And if we really get going, again, these trend lines, these exponential moving averages, usually the first test is a sell. Sometimes the second test is a sell. And then what happens is it's like a sheet of glass. You punch it one too many times, and the next target usually is that purple 200 exponential. So let's just take a measure move off of this guy here. Solana analysis, despite the hack. And yeah, and I would use the wicks just to be careful here, because you will have bearish divergence on the other side. So here's the funny thing about bullish and bearish divergence. You always have one on the other side, right? So, and that's how you can trade these markets to the upside and the downside, is identifying clear stop and reverse points. And so as long as we're failing to get above this last local high here, I would move this line in the sand up to here, these wicks right here. And that would give you a measure move up to the purple 200 to the T. So yeah, that's going to be a nice, easy play, guys. And again, this isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but right now momentum is to the downside. This coin is going to do whatever Bitcoin does. So if we start to get sucked down into the bearish control zone, and we see volatility tick up and Stokes remain down below 42.42. So trend, momentum, and volatility. This is our momentum indicator. Here's our volatility indicator. And this is where you identify trend. Trend is your friend till the end of the trend, and let it be known. All right. So where's the measure move to the downside? Well, I'm willing to bet it's probably going to head down and retest, fill in those wicks, just like Bitcoin. So we got a lot at stake here today, and I wish I had that non-farm payroll news, but I don't have it at my fingertips at the moment. Labor force participation rate falls. I'm seeing it on Fox Business right now. And that's kind of what I was expecting, is the news to be bad. How could you have good news with all the bad news out there? And people ain't going back to work, and Janet Yellen is lying out of her teeth. just like Jerome Powell, talking about inflation is transitory and how could we be in a recession when we're creating 400,000 jobs a month. Full of baloney. Full of baloney, if you ask me. Talking out the side of their mouths. It's like geriatrics, you know, people that should be in a little old people's home. You know, no offense to the old people out there. And one day, I hope I don't end up there. I won't end up there. I'm going to live till 120 in good health. That's my claim here. All right. Bringing it back to the news here. That was it. The hackers attack. You know, I saw this other article. I want to pull it up here. I don't know if I have it, but anyways, I think I'm going to wrap it up there, guys. Hope you have a wonderful, blessed, and highly favored day. Take care. I'm signing out.